Are you tired of unpaid invoices cluttering your Zoho Books? Learn to mark any invoice as paid in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps, from opening Zoho Books to confirming the payment. Let's start. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Sales. Now, from the Sales menu, select Invoices to see all your invoices. Find the invoice you want to mark as paid, for example, the one dated 21 July 2026, and click on it. Once the invoice opens, click the Record Payment button. In the payment form, click Record Payment again. Now update the payment date to reflect when the payment was actually received. For example, click on the Date field and select the 21st. Once the date is set, click Save as Paid to finalize the payment. You'll see the invoice status change to Paid. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.